being tuned, I'll see if I can notice that 20 odd kilowatts that we gained just from a tune, which was awesome. Took out the flat spot. It's not running so rich anymore, which is great. Here we go, we got a turbo Subaru. Unexpected drag race against a Liberty Turbo. In a naturally aspirated Honda 2 litre. That is bullshit. excited that we beat a 260 kilowatt Liberty B4. Wastegate screamer pipe in the window to show that he was giving it to it, and we still smacked him. What? No wonder these things are going up in value. That's just bullcrap. Absolute bullish. Alright guys, I'm going to end this video off here. End on a high note, end on a victory. Hope you enjoyed the content of my brother-in-law Ty and my friend Tommy's EG with a K20 swap. This thing is an absolute monster. I freaking love it. I want one. God damn, I wish I was racing this at the track on the weekend instead of my car. But you got to do what you got to do. So we'll leave it here. Make sure you like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video, and we'll see you at the track.